Hello, my name is Esmee and I am the founder and director of Health and Power. I recently participated in Sarah Cordiner's course creation group coaching program in late 2019, and I have to say it was an amazing program. I created my course, 5 Steps Towards a Healthier Family this festive season, in just 30 days. I have learned so much from Sarah. It was a 4-week course and it was really truly one of the best courses I have ever done in my entire life. I have learned so much in 30 days and I am so blessed to have completed her program. I have now gone on to create other programs, and it has enabled me to look at my business differently, be able to offer my business services differently, and I'm able to scale my business. I'm able to reach more people and help more people. I highly recommend anyone wishing to take up the course to jump into it. Sarah is amazing, and throughout the 4 weeks, Sarah guided us, led us. She was always there to answer our questions, always there to hold our hand to guide us. And it's pretty intense 4 weeks, but we come out of it so, we learn so much and we accomplish so much in just 30 days. And Sarah's there the entire way for me and my group members, and it was just so brilliant. In terms of support, group coaching program was great, Sarah was amazing, and it's also wonderful to have the support of all your group members, which I received as well. And I highly recommend anyone wishing to take up the course to jump in and do it. And no matter what type of business you are in, you will be able to teach your topic, scale your business and reach more people globally.